transporting organs?
You know, like a heart or a kidney or something like that.
We're on a mission to save a life. Thank you, good sir. Good luck. Take care. Let's get the organs to the correct donor, shall we? Nice and safe. To the bat cave.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome to the channel.
Not back?
What if I just mimicked everything you said today?
That would be incredibly annoying. You know why it would be?
Well, for a variety of reasons, probably.
Well, because I don't like hearing what I said in the first place. So.
Well, I don't like hearing what I said in the first place. So.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
All right.
I beat him. I beat him at his own game.
Okay, so we have the part in the trunk
for the Cayenne.
It is in a cooler because I've seen people do that on TV before. Usually they are transporting organs.
You know, like a heart or a kidney or something like that.
This is similar to that, so I figured it pertinent to do the same thing.
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
I mean,
yes. It is like the heart of the car.
Right.
Because, well, it's like one of the arteries.
So we got our fuel pump. If you guys caught a sneak peek, that's our mechanic's new shop.
Yep.
Except for he's got a couple weeks before he's ready to do some work. So we're going to our old mechanic, which is still a good mechanic.
Yes.
And we're gonna go get this thing fixed, and hopefully by the next time you see our
lovely faces,
or insert whatever adjective you want, you will see the Cayenne back on the road. Let's go drop this thing off.
Yeah!
Look at the baby.
The baby?
Yeah, we have brought in the transplant.
The transplant. So the baby needs a heart or an artery transplant, whatever we're deciding on.
She's an old girl, maybe? I don't know.
But then it wouldn't be a baby.
I don't know what to call it. But anyways, if you guys missed it, here she is. And the next time you see it, which will be in this video, probably next video.
Probably the next video.
Sure. It should be fixed with a new heart. We'll see you soon.
And with that, we are on a bumpy road, and we thank you for tuning in
Pyramid Scheme!
Subscribe, because the pyramid scheme is you subscribe, then you get 2 of your friends to subscribe,
and they
get 2 of their friends to subscribe,
and then they get...
It's a pyramid scheme!
Keep it going.
Yes. Thank you for tuning in, though, for the Cayenne GTS high-pressure fuel pump fiasco, debacle...
Conundrum. Fiasco, debacle, conundrum. The FDC. Thanks for tuning in to the Cayenne FDC.
Make sure to click like,
subscribe,
comment if this has happened to you. And we hope it did not, because it's not cheap.
Hopefully this helps somebody out. We'll lay out the cost in our next video.
Yeah.
As close as we can get it, because I generally tend to throw my receipts away before I remember how much I paid for something. But at any rate, pyramid scheme, awkward high five, subscribe, hit like, tell your friends, and more pyramid schemes. We'll talk to you later.